This is a story that comes actually from a couple of weeks ago. I was in Milan, in Italy, and I stopped by at the Serendipity music store. It's a fantastic record store. Go and search for them, Serendipity Milan. On my way back, I said, okay, I'm just gonna take another route. I'm just gonna cross through this park nearby, and I'm not just gonna walk back from the same street I came from, because I wanted to see if something, would have happened. I would have discovered something new. And in fact, that is exactly what happened. So as I turned the corner, I started to hear some music, and my attention instantly got grabbed. Funny enough, I walked like 50 meters and I see a little music venue, and facing the outside of the venue, there was a console, like with turntables set up. And I said, what's going on here? So I stopped by and I started to listen what they were playing, and the music actually was pretty good. Turns out that this bunch of guys was, well, the Sonica collective, and it was such a nice encounter. Let me see if I have a photo to share with you, so you can have a look at this and understand who I'm talking about. So these guys are the Sonica collective. They're an incredible and fun bunch of artists that surprised me quite a lot, I would say, because not only they were taking care of a great music selection, the venue was packed, but also they gave me one of these. Yeah, let me switch camera because I really want to show them. I really want to show this to you. So first of all, here you see them. This is the bunch of fellows that I bumped into, and yeah, they are incredibly nice, full of energy, and it was a pleasure just to hang out and learn more about their project. But the cool part was that when you walked in the venue, they had set up in a corner like this little I don't even know what to call them, these little boxes or envelopes, and they gave me one. And I said, what is this? And they said, this is a 3D printed cookie. So I'm gonna switch cam and I'm gonna show it to you so you can have a look at it. There we go. This is a 3D printed cookie. And I thought it was an incredibly original idea, and I'm gonna open it with you live so you can have a look at it as well. There we go. So I know what you want, but this is not for you. Zelda is unbelievable, always the fastest one, right? Okay, so let me see if I can open it here maybe so you can enjoy the experience together with me in real time. So these are the 3D printed cookies, and it comes in this nice little box they used to brand their project. You see, they gave me also one of their stickers. Thank you, Zelda, for your help. And inside there is a 3D printed cookie that I'm gonna show you. If Zelda is not gonna eat it first, huh? Where you wanna go? You're too little. Come here. And here we go. I think I'll have to switch back to the front cam before Zelda is gonna eat it. And check this out. Wait, because it's quite fragile. But I think it's interesting. Oh, I think I broke it. But let me see if I'm gonna be fast enough to take it out and show you how it was printed. So this is what remains from the 3D printed logo they had, the Sonica logo, and I thought it was an incredibly clever idea to market their project. I think Zelda is going to taste it before I do, but I managed to bring it back quite intact, I would say. Quite an interesting idea to brand a project, and it was a good strategy, because like people got curious, they got close to the console, they learned more about what they were doing. And on that note, I'm going to share with you also their Instagram profile, so you can go and have a look at what they are doing. I'm gonna drop them in the chat as we speak. So here we go. I'm gonna put them one by one in just about a minute, so you can feel free to dig. And I'm just gonna start with the Sonica Records. Is it called the name account, the main account? And then I'm gonna drop also the other profiles of every single artist that performed that night, and also Luca, I think it was the name, who of the guy who printed the three-dimensional cookies. I thought that was genius. And this goes to say that like the underground world is packed and filled with creative people that never get tired to experiment, never get tired to explore new creative ways to share their projects. So I will leave you to that. And once again, if you don't know them, have a look at them, get in touch. If you are in Modena or Milan, or London as well sometimes, have a look at them. Sonica Records, very, very good underground project, and yeah, delicious cookies. I have more. I have more.